The Galaxy Z Fold 6 is shaping up to be a standout device in Samsung's foldable lineup with exciting new features and cutting-edge technology. Samsung has been at the forefront of foldable innovation, and this device continues to push boundaries. Pre-installed with One UI 6.10, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is already paving the way for a major software evolution. One UI 7, currently in development. Recent Geekbench results for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 reveal impressive performance metrics while running Android 15 and One UI 7. With a single-core score of 2026 and a multi-core score of 6144, the device promises remarkable speed and responsiveness. These benchmarks aren't just numbers. They represent a significant leap in user experience, with enhanced multitasking capabilities and smoother transitions. One UI 7 is expected to bring substantial refinements to Samsung's software ecosystem, offering users an even more intuitive and seamless interface. While still in the testing phase, the early glimpses suggest this update could redefine what users expect from their devices. Beyond just the Galaxy Z Fold 6, One UI 7 is being trialed on other flagship models, including the Galaxy Z Fold 5, Galaxy Z Flip 5, and the Galaxy S24 series. The rollout timeline for One UI 7 is becoming clearer. The Galaxy S24 lineup is anticipated to be first to join the beta program in December, with the Galaxy S23 series following shortly after. Samsung's approach to beta testing involves rigorous evaluation to ensure stability and performance, with the stable version expected to launch by February 2024. This timing aligns with the anticipated release of the Galaxy S25 series, which is set to debut with One UI 7.1. Samsung's development strategy underscores a focus on long-term reliability. While some competitors have adopted a quicker rollout of Android 15 updates, Samsung's measured pace reflects its commitment to delivering a refined user experience. The thorough testing process not only enhances software stability but also ensures that the features work flawlessly across devices. The Galaxy S25, expected to launch as a flagship device, represents another step forward for Samsung. By debuting with One UI 7.1, the S25 lineup highlights the company's dedication to maintaining its leadership in both hardware and software innovation. This update is anticipated to include new customization options, improved multitasking features, and better integration with Samsung's ecosystem of products. As we look ahead, it's clear that Samsung's approach is setting a high bar for the industry. With each update, the company refines its vision of what a smartphone should offer, balancing innovation with practical usability. From foldable technology to software enhancements, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and its accompanying updates demonstrate Samsung's relentless drive to improve the user experience. These developments provide an exciting glimpse into the future of mobile technology. Samsung continues to lead the charge with its thoughtful updates and innovative devices, promising users a blend of style, performance, and functionality. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.